Ford launched the F-150 Lightning EV last week, and it mostly drew positive responses. The talking point was the sub $40,000 price for the commercial variant, which would result in being cheaper than the standard F-150 after factoring in the federal tax credits and the state incentives. The automaker had not revealed the specs for it then, but we do have them now. The company has coined this commercial trim as the F-150 Lightning Pro. As a sub $40,000 EV, it looks alright on paper, but look at it as a work truck, which it actually is, and you will be disappointed. How much range does the F-150 Lightning Pro offer? Just like the standard F-150 Lightning, the Pro will also be offered with two different battery packs. The standard range pack will offer 230 miles of range, whereas the extended range pack will offer 300 miles. These are EPA estimated targets for now, but could very well be the actual EPA estimated figures too. The real world figures, however, will be much less than this, and if you hitch a tow or use the Pro Power onboard, the range is going to dip drastically low. We'll get to it in a bit. Chevy announced that the Silverado EV will have a range of 400 miles. It is still some time away, but seeing these figures, it looks like folks not looking for an immediate purchase will wait for it to arrive. What powers the F-150 Lightning Pro? The 2022 F-150 Lightning Pro comes with the same powertrain as the standard Lightning, which is a dual motor setup with an all-wheel drive configuration. Even the power outputs are the same. If you opt for the standard range battery pack, you will have 426 horses and 775 pound-feet of torque at your disposal. With the larger extended range battery, the horsepower increases to 563 and the torque remains the same at 775 pound-feet. How long does the F-150 Lightning Pro take to charge? The standard range battery pack models come with a 32 amp Ford Mobile AC charger, whereas the extended range battery pack Lightning Pro comes with an 80 amp Ford Charge Station Pro. When combined with the
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.